gonna show you how to make my gift box. As you can see, there are a lot of parts on the screen, and this program is Cuts-a-Lot. It's the program I work with. For the scan and cut users, they have a small method, not like the Silhouette users, so therefore I made this box out of two parts, but I also have a file added which is just one part. But I thought it was easier to show this one because this one has more parts with it, so it's easier to explain. I have the front with a window, although you can remove the window or you can just duplicate the back, and you have a box without a window. And I have separate parts for the box, so you can cut out the gift box itself with ugly or strong paper, and you can decorate the box with pattern paper. I have chosen 4 nice roses to put on the box itself and cut it out with white cardstock. If you size a pattern, always make sure it's grouped and you don't size the parts separate, because if you do that, you never get it well or right. You always get a difference. Here you can't do much about it because you have 2 parts, but make sure that all the score lines and the window is grouped, so it keeps in proportions. I removed the window because I don't, with making this box today, I don't make it with a window of mica, I think it's called. I just leave the box open. As you can see, everything is grouped in layers and the right layers, so I can just select a group and size it. Now I need to size the parts for my pattern paper, and I always size it first with my mouse and later on with the notches. In this program you have 2 kind of checkpoints. One that is view in the menu bar, then you can see all the lines that are walking in your design. But you can also do preview, and then you can see even better what the cut lines are and what the draw lines are. Here you see I do it with view, so I can see if my lines are exactly matching with my box lines, so I know my pattern parts will be the correct size. This is the preview that I was talking about. You can put it on draw lines because we can draw with the machine, or cut lines, and then you can also see if you have missed lines in your design. If you are cutting a design and it's cutting strange lines, just use this function because you can see really quick where those lines are coming from. This is the last part. What I also like from Cuts-a-Lot is you can move parts to another page, and I will show you here. You just make a new page, and then you go back to the parts you want on that other page. You select them, go to this menu, and you select the page you want the parts on, and they're there. Now my parts are the right size. I can export my project to send to my cutting machine. If you are a scan and cut user, just export as VCM, because that is loading way quicker than SVG. You can do SVG if you like, but I prefer VCM because it's much quicker, less errors, so do what you like. I will do it as VCM. I've cut out all the pieces. As you can see, I used roses for the pattern, for the parts, and just white plain cardstock for the box. You see the score lines are there as well, and it's really easy to make it. You can use tape, or like I use the it's a glue roller. I like it better because if I use real glue, everything is glued except my box. So I'm really terrible with paper. I can design pretty things, but assemble it not so much. Well, here you see I'm gonna stick the patterns first on the pieces of the box, because that's you can add more force to stick the patterns on the paper on each other. When you have folded already, it's harder to stick it on the box. That's why I do it this way. Now all the pieces are on the box itself. Now I only have to glue two sides and the bottom, and that's it. Then you have a pretty paper box or gift box, because you can make it any size you like. And I hope you like the pattern and have fun with it. And if you buy it, show me on my page or send me a message and show me what you made of, because I know you guys are much better in decorating boxes and doing fun stuff with this. I am not so much a paper girl. I rather do things with vinyl and heat transfer vinyl. That's more my kind of thing. And of course designing and drawing. Well, I hope you like this video, and I hope you watch my other videos as well, because there are many more to come. Bye bye!